Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make pad see ew with shrimp. This is a very easy recipe. Please stay tuned. And here are the ingredients: rice noodle, sugar, salt, oyster sauce, shrimp, soy sauce, chicken base mix, minced garlic, and 1 egg. And of course, the green onion. First of all, we need to season our shrimp with a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and then we will mix the seasoning really well with the shrimp. Once the shrimp is mixed up really well with the seasoning, we will heat up our pan. And we'll add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. And then we can start pan frying our shrimp. We will pan fry it 5 minutes each side. After the shrimps are cooked, we will put it aside. And then we use the same pan to stir fry our noodles. The first thing we need to do is add our minced garlic. And we will stir fry until it becomes nice and golden brown. And now we could add in our rice noodles. Since our rice noodles is a little hard, we will add in about 1/4 cup of water, and this will soften the noodle. And then we will continue to stir fry the noodles and the garlic until it becomes nice and soft. Once the noodle is soft, we could add in 1 egg. And then we will stir fry the eggs and the noodle until it becomes cooked. After the noodles and eggs are nicely combined, we could add in our seasonings, which is half teaspoon of chicken base mix, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of soy sauce. And now we could add our green onions. And last but not least, half teaspoon of oyster sauce. And now we could add in our shrimp. Our simple pad see ew noodle with shrimp is done, guys. This is a quick and easy meal for one, and it could be easily be made to larger portion for potlucks or to share with family. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.